So I just got this grow light in the mail, and the company who makes it asked me to do an unboxing. So that's what I'm gonna do. I do like the box. It's a nice box, just kind of a lot going on the front. Here's what it looks like inside. Instructions. Very well packed. Oh. Very well insulated. There's the rest of it. So there's the pieces. Let's see. It looks pretty simple to put together, so I'm gonna do that. So here it is assembled. My bottom piece didn't line up very well with the other pieces, so it's very wobbly. It's still usable, but it just doesn't quite fit together right. So yeah, so there's that. And I'm going to put a plant in there and turn it on. So here it is. I have my little plants in there. Here's the remote. Oh, it looks nice and bright. I like that you can pick between the purple light and the white light. All in both. That's really nice. So yeah, the light looks really nice, but this is pretty small. It would be good for propagation, growing, and seed starting. But yeah, you couldn't put very big plants in there, but yeah, it's a cute little light.